Yo, what's up, my friends? So basically this little lighting setup and backdrop is something I've been playing with. I've shot a lot of video, but I don't know much about stills or lighting. So y'all saw the initial setup. It's a portrait setup from Keyshoe. It's like 65 bucks. 2 umbrella lights with 135 watt, 5K fluorescent bulbs, stands, a backdrop. I have replaced the backdrops that came with them because they sucked. They felt like that synthetic material that they used for packaging stuff. The one behind me now is cotton. You can see the wrinkles in it because I ironed it, and then storing it is supposed to go in a stuff sack, and then all the wrinkles in it are uneven. I think I'm just gonna start playing with some lighting setups, and I'll try to explain what's happening as we go. Step right up, my friends, and I'll tell you a story about a lost man in a big city that was trying to find his way and couldn't. In the house of the rising sun. Oh, dude, I gotta tell you, we got some of the prettiest girls you have ever seen hanging around here. You know, there's lots of that German influence down here. Them farm girls, them cornbread raised beauties. You do understand we live on the greatest nation on earth, and we have to defend that, or it will be taken from us. Power does not exist in a vacuum. You hear me?
Careful.
Vance, where you going? Over here.
Okay, I want one good picture. Come here. Come here.
Go with Mama.
Huh?
Yeah?
All right, I got your back. Come here.
Doing this thing, dog. Where it's at. Yeah, you know, dog, when you're out there on stage, it's just about pouring your heart out. Like, you gotta have the audience feel something. It's not about you at that point. It's about them and connecting with each other through similar experience, you know? Like, you know, you just let the words flow out, start moving with the beat, and before you know it, you're dancing like Axl Rose, man. I don't know how to describe it. All right, well, we got all our pictures taken, so let's clean up now. Making a real scripted movie is about as boring as having a backdrop and some lights set up inside of a house. You turn it into whatever you want. None of it's natural. And that's the lesson of today. We got the villain where the light's down low and you can only see half his face with a red background. Oh my lord, I'm having way too much fun. This is me alone, dressing up, trying to learn how to shoot portraits. We've got the ignorant high school guy and the border patrol man where you can't see his eyes. Part of his personality is left mysterious and unknown, so that the only thing you pay attention to is what he says. And then we've got the artist, the rock star. He's got to look like a rock star, so you got some changing lights in the background and lit part of his face. I mean, yeah, the costumes add to it, but if it's not lit right, then it's not going to work. I got a lot of these techniques from an article at digital-photography-school.com. 6 portrait techniques that every photographer should know. I'll leave a link down in the description and you can get the technical side of things from there. The reason I shot all these portraits is because I'm doing some marketing for a local hair salon. I've built a website, it's totalimagesanangelo.com, and the goal is to replace some stock photography on there with our own. But before I take the stylist's time or a model's time to take pictures of them, I would like to know halfway what I'm doing. So you gather all the equipment you need up and set it all up and take some pictures. And if you're able to get what you want with yourself in it, then you're ready to go shoot someone else. I mean, that's kind of the theory behind it anyways. I look forward to taking y'all along and making some vlogs as we learn how to shoot models and get more into the studio setting than the natural landscapes that kind of defined 2000, I guess it was 18. 19, I've been kind of gone a lot working on movies, getting a paycheck, which has been nice, but I'm also taking advantage of the slow winter so far. I guess this is the end. Thanks for watching. I love you guys. I hope y'all have a great 2020, and I'll see y'all soon. Peace. It's a little strange carrying a wig, a shotgun, and a camo jacket, wearing a cowboy hat to the van is, well, like I said, strange. You know, I grew up going to Texas high schools. You know where this here varsity letter jacket came from? That C stands for cosmetology. I went to state in the VICA competition for men's haircutting. Who will you be on your walkabout life in 2020?